Describe the structure of a basic A script and explain how it is executed. A basic A script is a text file containing a sequence of commands in the A language, typically saved with an .r extension. The structure often includes data import, data manipulation, analytical processing, and output commands. To execute an R script, you can use the source function in the R console or run it directly in an IDE like RStudio. The script executes commands sequentially from top to bottom unless control flow statements alter the execution path. How can variables be used to store data in R, and what are the best practices for naming variables? In R, variables are used to store data such as numbers, character strings, or more complex data structures. You can assign data to a variable using the assignment operator. Best practices for naming variables include using meaningful names, avoiding vague names like X or data, using lowercase letters with underscores to separate words, monthly sales, and avoiding names that conflict with our functions like C, T, mean, etc. Discuss the concept of conditional execution in our using if, else, and else if statements with examples. Conditional execution in R is handled with if, else, and else if statements, allowing the program to execute different code blocks based on logical conditions. For example, this code checks the value of X and prints a message based on the condition met. If evaluates its condition, and if true, executes its block. If not, it checks the else if condition, and finally, the else block executes if no prior conditions are true. Explain how loops work in R, particularly focusing on for and while loops. Provide examples where each type might be more useful. Loops in R are used to repeat operations, with for loops iterating over a sequence and while loops running as long as a condition is true. For example, for loop example. While loop example. A for loop is useful when the number of iterations is known beforehand, like processing each element in a vector. A while loop is more suited when the number of iterations depends on a condition that changes during the loop's execution.